Yeah, shooting with my JMG. I am very sorry for the custom parking. All my neighbors have dogs, and sometimes this drives me crazy, but the dogs are not the issue, the people are. I'm trying to do good alignment and clean release. I'm not trying to do grouping. I'm just trying to have a good form as much as possible. Let's switch hands. Distance is about maybe 12 meters. Good alignment and clean release. Good. I did a lot of rounds and I thought I was recording, but not really. I just forgot to press record. I'm sorry for the barking. Shut up! Shut up, mate. To have a good consistency when it comes to gripping the handle, I place my index finger. I try to place my index finger every time on the outer part of that front edge. It gives me some sort of consistency when it comes to my grip. Slow draw. I'm gonna do a very slow draw now. Nice. It's a great bow, my JMG. When I pull it, the handle bends a bit as well. I don't mind it. I can feel the bow. I can feel that the bow is working. Right hand. Right hand. Aiming for good alignment, good release. And of course consistent draw length. I'm not trying to do gripping. I'm just trying to be really consistent when it comes to form. Also grabbing my shoulder every time gives me an indication that my release is fairly consistent. And of course, shoulders down, always. By the way, I'm not trying to grab my shoulder consciously. It is just not my hand lands there. So roll. Oh, shut up, man. Shut up. Gives me an additional challenge. I have to concentrate beside the constant barking. Yes, baby. Good. Yes. Okay, let me do one more round with my other hand. By the way, next Sunday I am traveling to the UK and I don't have a KTB there. I just got one Mongolian bow and that's it. I'll probably have to buy one. Oops. Right hand. Right hand. All my KTBs are here in Bulgaria. I didn't even see where the arrow landed because it was traveling so straight. Yes! Good. Last arrow for the day. Good. Nice session, nice weather. A lot of barking. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you next time.